How to fix Instagram limited problem, easy and fast on any Android phone. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in less than 1 minute, so please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is go to the settings and go to apps, and now go to apps again until it show you this page. Right here you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll until you find the Instagram. After you find it, now all what you have to do is very easy. Go to storage, click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back, click on force stop, and then go to the permissions and make sure to enable the storage permission, and then go back again. Now restart your phone. It's after you restart it, then open Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed 100%. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.